Hey there, Seahorse here, and welcome back for another episode of Late Night Maintenance in the Basement. Tonight I have a friendly PSA. The Aiper Seagull Pro, which happens to be the pool vacuum we have here at the domestead, has been recalled for an issue with battery overheating. I will throw the official Aiper link for the recall in the description so you can see what models are affected. I've registered online as instructed at the link, but did not receive a return label as was indicated. So a few days later, after both a phone call to the number on the recall page and a follow-up email, I finally received my shipping label. I then affixed it to the original box, which of course I saved for 2 years like the hoarder I try not to be, and thusly I sent it back. Apparently they are to check the return and ship me a brand new model. Naturally, there are supply issues, so I'm not exactly sure what model I will be receiving, but as long as it can clean my pool and doesn't burn my house down, I will be happy. I will do the great unboxing reveal video when it arrives. So if you are interested to see what Aiper feels is an appropriate replacement for the too hot to plug in Aiper Seagull Pro, then hit subscribe and be the first to know when the Seagull has landed, so to speak.
Do you have a pool vacuum? If you do, then listen close. One of them is acting up, heating up more than most. Did you hear the call about the Aiper Seagull Pro? Yes, there is a recall. Send it back, let it go. Aiper will send you one that's new, and it will still clean your pool. But hey, you say you like your pool vacuum. You know you really love your pool vacuum. You say it really cleans your pool, even though it really sucks. Aiper will replace it for you, and it won't cost you bucks. Do you have a pool vacuum? If you do, then listen close. One of them is acting up, heating up more than most. Did you hear the call about the Aiper Seagull Pro? Yes, there is a recall. Send it back, let it go. But hey, you say you like your pool. You know you really love your pool. Aiper will send you one that's new, and it will still clean your pool. But hey, you say you